Hello and welcome to Business Simulation Learning Module. In this video, we will learn how to operate the Manage Sales Order feature. Manage Sales Order is a feature in Business Simulation used to handle sales order efficiently. This feature allows us to create, track, and process sales orders in different customers while considering costs and pricing strategies. To get started, open Business Simulation and navigate to the Sales section. Then click on Manage Sales Order to enter the Sales Management page. Important to note, Manage Sales Order feature cannot be accessed by multiple sections simultaneously. This restriction ensures consistency in transactions. If more than one user attempts to open it, a warning pop-up will appear. On this page, you will see a list of potential customers across 3 regions: West, East, and Central. Initially, 12 out of 13 customers are available to sell to. One customer, Grand Lucky, only purchases gift packs, which are available exclusively during seasonal periods. You can only sell to customers with an available status. After making a sale in a given period, that customer status will change to unavailable and will become available again in the next period. To begin a sale, simply select a customer from the list. After selecting a customer, you will see their name, address, and region. The sales order page is divided into 3 main sections. 1. Processing status. Displays the sales order action button and the current status of transactions. The sales order process consists of 5 steps, starting with the creation of sales order confirmation, which is only applicable for gift packs, delivery, billing, and incoming payment. 2. Create sales order details. This is where you execute a transaction. Determine the order quantity by considering key factors, such as price scales, popularity deduction, tax, and overhead cost. Price scales, a strategy where unit prices drop as quantity sold increases. Popularity deduction, a cost reduction based on product popularity. The more popular, the lower the cost. Tax, a mandatory fee added to sales by the government, affecting the final price. Overhead cost, indirect expenses like delivery cost, marketing, and storage that impact profit. You will also see available to promise, or ATP, shows the quantity that can be promised to the customers, including products that are still in production but have already been released. Then, stock on hand refers to the actual quantity of products that are physically available in the warehouse, ready to be sold or used. ATP can be higher than stock on hand if there are items in production that have not been moved to the warehouse yet. It will be included in stock on hand after confirmation. However, ATP can also be lower if some products are already committed to other customer orders but have not been delivered. When creating a sales order, it is essential to consider both stock on hand and ATP. You can place orders exceeding stock on hand, but not beyond ATP. Additionally, you can select a sales manager to assist the sales process and help minimizing the overhead cost. 3. Sales order history shows past sales transactions from the store. Completing the sales process. Use the price scale section to view how unit prices change based on quantity. The more you sell, the lower the price per unit. Once you have specified the quantity, the total net value will automatically calculate based on the input and reflect the amount that will be earned from the transaction. Then, click Create under Processing Status to initiate the sales order. You will receive a document number and delivery number for the transaction. Click OK to complete the transaction. Important to note, it is essential to understand the steps involved in the sales process. 1. When you click Create, The system generates a sales order or SO containing the product's quantity, price, and payment terms. The system checks the stock availability and saves the sales order. It will lead you to confirmation. At this stage, the sales order is reviewed to ensure that all information, such as price, discounts, and stock availability, is accurate. The sales order status changes to confirmed, and the system reserves stock for the order. 3. After that delivery, the system creates a delivery document for the warehouse. This document includes instructions for picking, packing, and shipping the products to the customer. Goods issue is then performed, reducing warehouse stock and recording it in both material and accounting documents. Next, billing. The system generates an invoice based on the data from the sales order and delivery. The invoice is sent to the customer as a billing statement. This will then be recorded as an AR or accounts receivable. Last, payment. The customer makes a payment according to the invoice. Once the payment is received, the accounts receivable account is reduced and cash in bank increases. The related invoice is marked as cleared or paid in full. Here are two key strategies to optimize your sales performance. Tip 1. Reduce overhead cost with effective manager strategies. Implementing the right manager reduction strategy can help minimizing overhead cost reductions. Hiring a professional manager for each region through the HR department will effectively lower deduction costs. Ensure that each manager is assigned based on their competitive skills and expertise. Tip 2. Use speed and strategy in competitive sales. The sales environment is highly competitive. If multiple vendors sell the same product at the same store, the first to sell gains a lower cost. Delay in selling may result in higher deduction costs. So, act fast and plan smartly.
By following these steps and strategies, you can optimize your sales order in the business simulation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next module.